parenting is a God-given responsibility. Don't abdicate your responsibility of parenting. Don't surrender it to the church or to the government. Parenting is a responsibility given to parents by God. Mungu akikupatia mtoto, anajua uko na uwezo ya kumlea huyo mtoto. Usiwache mtoto wako alelewe barabarani na watu wengine. Mmesikia msemo unaosema asiyefunzwa na mzazi wake, mnajua atafunzwa na nani? Tunaelewana? So parents, wazazi, let us mentor our children. Let us be parents. Let us look after our children. Let us speak to our children. Let us talk to our children. The church, let us work together. Because raising the next generation of Kenya is a societal responsibility. It takes parents, it takes the church, it takes the government to raise the next generation of responsible citizens. We will provide education. We will make sure they have quality health. Parents, make sure you do your part. The church, make sure that our children are morally straight. Religious leaders, let us build the right customs, the right tradition for our children so that we can raise the next generation of responsible people. We will not have succeeded if we don't do that.